Hi, I am Stefano Caggiano, Program Leader for Industrial and Product Design Department at Istituto Marangoni School of Design in Milan, Italy. I am a design critic with an emphasis on design languages. A design language basically is the connection between aesthetic and cultural meaning. The ability to read design languages consists in the ability to read meaning, cultural meaning through product aesthetic.
Hi, my name is Prachi. I'm 29 years old. I'm from India. I am a student at Istituto Marangoni. I study in Masters in Italian Furniture and Product Design. I chose this course because before here I was working as a CEO for an entrepreneurial venture. I had a startup for handicrafts, and every time when you're in the market it gets a little overwhelming. After years you get in a stagnant position, and every few years you need to review where you are professionally. I thought I wasn't doing that great professionally, so I thought about starting my own designing furniture venture, and for that I needed a new set of design skills, and I chose to come here because I like how the course is structured.
Product and furniture design courses in Marangoni focus on both the most important skills that a designer needs to have. On the one hand, the program focuses on the practical skills you need to be able to use as a designer, as a professional in design field. That includes both using traditional tools like hand drawing and sketching, as well as using advanced tools like softwares and computer programs to visually communicate your ideas. On the other hand, the program focuses on the theoretical knowledge you need to gain in order to be able to strategically think about design. This theoretical knowledge comprises both technological knowledge and humanistic knowledge, aesthetic knowledge. In fact, the job of the designer consists in putting together technology and aesthetic, putting together function and form. Studying design, especially product and furniture design in Italy, is a very special opportunity because the Italian design tradition is unique all over the world for its way to look at the people, to look at the customers. In fact, in Italian design, customers are first thing human beings, not users. That's key, because if you consider that people are first thing users, you will design good functions for them. But if you consider that people are first thing human beings, you will design meaningful products for them. You will design pieces of furniture and product that are meaningful in their very aesthetic, that will embody meaningful aesthetics. This is the unique touch of Italian design. This is something you can learn only here in Italy, in Milan.
The administration and the team have structured this course perfectly, even though there are like a lot of design subjects like 3D design and design concepts. There are other subjects like sociology of consumption, graphic culture, history of design, which is amazing. It gives you a holistic idea about how you want to how you're going to influence the design trends in the future. It lets you get a deeper understanding of the design. It makes you forecast design futures, and it's just a complete understanding of design on the whole. Teachers are regularly pushing boundaries. They just give you a lot of knowledge and know-how. They're pioneers in their field.
Students here have the opportunity to try the most important design approaches. The approaches mainly focused on technique, on pragmatic aspects of the project, as well as approaches focused on aesthetic. Both approaches are important in design field, and it's a very good opportunity for students to work here with tutors that, as professionals, they are designers using both approaches. To take part in this program, you need to be curious, passionate, and creative. You need to be curious because curiosity is the first engine you need in order to trigger a design process, a research process. You need to also be passionate, because being a designer means that you are going to think up new ideas and to propose them to the world, and you need passion to do that. And of course, you need to be creative. You need to be creative in a strategic way. I mean, nowadays we have a lot of creativity around us. We have a lot of people doing creative stuff. As a design student and later as a design professional, you need to play on the highest level of that. You need to strategic manage creativity. You need to find a way to give sense to the creativity all around you and all around people.
It's amazing how in a class of 12 people we have 9 nationalities. It's sometimes when you're away from your country and your home, it gets really overwhelming. So to have a family of your own from different backgrounds give you a perspective of entire new dimension. It lets you in on how other people in other places are living. There is an immense amount of cultural exchange, which is very well embedded if you're looking to work globally in a concept, because we do a lot of teamwork, and this helps us just understand different temperaments of how different people in different countries work. The teachers are very supportive. The environment is really conducive.
This time is a very special time to be a designer. In fact, we are living in an area where the technological advancements are heavily impacting the design field. And because of that, you can consider that the history of design is starting again from scratch. Traditionally, history of design consisted in find a way to put together form and function. But nowadays, with the new digital technologies, design consists and is going to be there even more in the future in putting together form, function, and the digital quality. And you need product and furniture designers to do that. This is a job for people able to give a shape to material things. These are product designers.
It's a lot of hard work, but it's a lot of fun as well. Are looking to come to study here, you should be prepared to do a lot of hard work, but also be prepared to have a lot of fun, and because you'll have an immense amount of cultural exchange. So, and you'll have friends everywhere in the world, which is the most amazing thing.
My name is Matteo Gatti. I am an alumni at Istituto Marangoni. I did here the Master of Italian Product Design, and I graduated last year in 2016, and now I am a freelancer designer. I attended this master course thanks to the winner the contest organized by Istituto Marangoni and Capellini. And actually, I won the first prize with a PAG. It is a lounge stool chair. I'm so proud about this project actually, because I really like it, and it gave me the possibility to attend this master course. The most important aspect that I saw here at Istituto Marangoni is the opportunity for the students to work and collaborate with companies. During my master, I worked and collaborated with some companies, really important companies like Versace or Giorgetti. So not only furniture design field, but also homeware or accessorize. And this part make the course not so theoretical, but also practical, because in this way you can really feel and see how the designer job it works in the real world. Design for me it's something that it's not just a beautiful shape, but it's like a multidisciplinary field and activity that take part and oblige you to study everything from the user and the usage of the product that you're designing till the material and the manufacturing processes. At the moment I am a freelancer designer, and I'm collaborating and working with several companies, mostly in the furniture field, but not only. And I really like the furniture field because it's something that it's more related to style and shape actually than product design or industrial design, where you have to focus over the material mostly and the manufacturing processes. And this collaboration with companies make me understand and make me grow in experience like how the process works after the digital skills, the digital render. Because when you're a student, you arrive, your output of the project is the digital one, is the rendering and the presentation of the project, or at least the prototype, the physical prototype. But when you're a student, you can understand actually how the product goes in production at the final. If I should give a suggestion to people that want to start this job from a course at Istituto Marangoni, I would say that they have to be curious and with a great passion, but not only in design field, but in life in general. So be curious and with great passion. Actually, I really liked my experience here at Istituto Marangoni, but in general, I really love my job and what I'm doing now. And that's, I think, the most important thing that a person that starts the idea of his job has to be. Do what you love to do.